You'll run into a variety of water on the Arizona Trail. They call this bathtub spring. Not sure why. A lot of times you'll just find a lockbox, kind of like a bear box, full of water that trail angels have left. This water source here is one you'll run into a lot. You have to be really careful, especially if there's 50 cows standing in it. You don't want to upset them or scare the crap out of them just before you go to get your water. This is a nice Arizona water source, just skirting Patagonia. Another wildlife water tank right on the trail, the new section going around Patagonia, so there'll be plenty of water. I've showed you 2 sources already in the last couple of miles. Well, let's hope there's some water in this baby. It's another 10 miles to the next water, so I need some. Booyah! This is one of the better water sources you'll find on the Arizona Trail. Usually at trailheads or under road crossing bridges. Thank you, trail angels, Arizona Trail volunteers. Now, this isn't one of the better Arizona Trail water sources, but in some sections this could be a hallelujah moment. It's not really as bad as it looks. So this kind of water is an acquired taste. You know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And it's really, again, not as bad as it looks. This has kind of a antelope taste and maybe a little Jeep track texture to it. Kind of a heavenly javelina bouquet. So, you know, bring a filter, but when you find water of any kind, even a mud puddle sometimes out here, it's a hallelujah moment, like I said. Keep smiling.